right next to the Pronkanong Market, underneath this overpass heading into the On NUT area, there was like a little hidden city within the city of Bangkok where people live, they work, they run their businesses, and I find this place absolutely fascinating, and I want all of you to take a look at this too, because it's like its own small little world, and we're all just visitors in it. Let's go take a look. This was one of the first places that I traveled to when I first moved here, and I just never really recorded it. But now I'm like, I better, because it really is fascinating. Fortune teller, coffee shop, eyeglass shop. Wow. Look at the price of the haircuts. I have walked from the W district back to my condo just over this bridge, and several times I have seen people make like makeshift camps and actually live here. I don't see any tents set up right now, but then again, it's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It's still relatively early, but at nighttime, people do live here. And this place has more barbershops than I've seen anywhere else in Thailand. It's like, if there were 50 shops here, about 40 of them would be barbershops. Another little shrine, you tend to see those everywhere here. If you've traveled to Thailand, I'm sure that you've seen these vehicles behind me everywhere that you go. It's called a song tail. Pretty much it's a modified pickup truck with seating, and they will take you anywhere on their route for 9 baht, which is roughly 30 cents. And I use them quite a bit. This is where they all park, at least in my area of town. Let's go up these stairs here. See, people live right here. These are makeshift shops set up. Huh. Grocery store. I'm just gonna walk around the corner because this is all fenced up, but there's more to this little makeshift city under the bridge. Shit. I'm sure you saw that dog was barking, and then another dog came running out And I believe the owner of that dog came out with like a little metal rod. I'm like, I'll just walk back. There's no need for me to cause any trouble here. I've only been here one other time in my 7 months of living here to this little park area. It's actually really kind of relaxing. And yes, you can see I'm very hot. I'm sweating. Bangkok weather and I really don't agree much. And I'm used to the heat. I lived in Scottsdale, Arizona for a long time. But the humidity just makes you drench in sweats. This is one thing I wanted to show everyone. There is an island. It's like a mini island, and people live on that island. And the only way to get to that island is by crossing a ferry. And this island is small, but there are homes built on top of it. And just let me show it to you guys here. This is the island right here that's only accessible by boats, or actually ferry I should say. If you take a look right there, that's a ferry. So you would line up directly ahead, tug on that line, and then someone comes out and they scoot themselves across to pick you up. To me, that does sound exciting. Maybe after the first couple of times you do it, but if you're like me, sometimes you stay out at night. What happens if that person's asleep and you have to get across because you left the bar late? What's gonna happen? I don't know. Are you just stuck here until the following morning? If someone knows, please tell me, because I'm very curious. Look at these little chickens here. Hi. Wow. Oh, the dog nibbled at me. Okay. Look at that. Oh, this dog is bow-legged. Look at that. Ah, I think it broke its leg. And he can't walk properly. Ah. I was walking by here and I met this gentleman. Are you from France? Yep. I could tell with the French accent. You could probably tell I was American. But he had a great term for this spot. Deep, deep Thailand.
Deep, deep Thailand.
I really like that.
Yes, I mean, this is not the Sukhumvit or Silom or all this high-so street.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's not a business street anyway. It's a living area where, let's say, poor people live. Got
it. Well, hey, thank you very much for having a quick chat with me. Well, for me, that was fun. this is a side of Bangkok that a lot of people don't see. You know, a lot of people stick to the popular tourist attractions, you know, all the main local bars, restaurants, especially here in Bangkok on Sukhumvit or Siloam. When you're right on those train tracks, that's where people usually tend to stay. But if you get out of your comfort zone and you walk around, you will find some fantastic places and meet some great people and have a great conversation. Anyway, guys, this is Bruce with Eat, Drink, Travel. Thank you for spending your time with me, and hopefully you'll like this video and the next one.